Howdy folks, I've got another aircraft that's complete. This is the Pegasus 148 scale Mitsubishi Zero model 21. It's one of their snap together kits. Just like it was before with the 109, it's gone together really well. Highly recommended these kits. I used the Decals straight out the box. Strangely enough, the Decals are actually pretty good on this Zero. I used Mr. Mark Fit Strong from Tamiya, so it's sunken down really well. I recommend if you're doing Japanese kits, use the Japanese decal solution, and any kits from the European, Tallery, Airfix, stuff like that, use the Microsol. So yeah, I used the decals for the roundels, for the red dots, and the white stripes been painted on. And I used chrome silver for the propeller and spinner. It was meant to be silver, but I wanted a little bit more shine to it. Semi-glossed black cowling. The aircraft colour is Japanese Imperial grey-green. Is what they call that for. I've done the chipping over the wings where it looks like it's been worn. A little bit of chipping over the cowling. I used the Tamiya's blue X15 for the undercarriage, which is the underside of the aircraft is done in a metallic blue, like it should be. Underdrop tank. Done a little bit of fuel stainage, just break up a little bit. There you go guys, there's my Japanese Zero. Hope you all like it, it's come out pretty well. I've also used a brown wash over the panel lines. My next aircraft is not going to be an aircraft. I might consider doing a vehicle like a tank or an actual helicopter. I haven't done a helicopter. We shall see. Haters, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I'll catch you next time.